What's up, guys? My name's Dr. Michael Mash with Barbell Rehab, and today I wanted to talk about something that I refer to as the foam roller trap. And I know many of you probably prescribe foam rolling as part of a warm-up or use foam rolling in your own barbell training, but I wanted to present this idea to sort of get you thinking about the whole concept of foam rolling. There's no doubt that a couple of passes on a foam roller, whether it's on your IT band, your quad, or your hamstring, feels really, really good and causes an immediate decrease in tightness and maybe even pain. But here's the thing. You can only sort of trick your body for so long. And here's the whole idea of this trap, of the foam roller trap. And I know I'm going to say this, and many of you are probably going to be like, oh yeah, that's sort of happened to me, or I've had clients report this phenomenon to me. But here's the thing, here's how it goes. So at first, let's use the example of a tight IT band or tight lateral quad. At first, 5 to 10 minutes of foam rolling prior to your warm-up may get you that immediate decrease in tightness and pain you're looking for. But the problem is your body soon adapts to that. So maybe in the second, third, and fourth week, you need to up that to 15 minutes to get the same desired effect. Then you need to do it for 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and before you know it, you need to foam roll for a half hour just to get that same desired reduction in pain and stiffness. So what do you logically do next? You need to increase the intensity. So maybe you move to rolling on a PVC pipe. And then again, maybe 10 minutes of that works, then 15, 20, and then you're doing a half hour of PVC pipe rolling just to get that same tiny decrease in perceived tightness. So what do you do next? Naturally, you move to a spiky rumble roller, where now, in order to just get that little bit of decreased tightness, where you once only needed a couple passes with a foam roller, now you need a half hour of rumble rolling. And this is an endless cycle that I try and coach people out of, that I recommend personal trainers and strength coaches coach people out of, because if you need an entire 30 to 45 minutes of foam rolling just to feel good before your barbell training, that's not where we want to be. That's not the most efficient way to utilize your time. What's most likely going on is we need to examine some of the other factors that could be causing this persistent perceived tightness, like consistent increased stress levels, inability to cope with these life stressors, where your body gets into this protect, tighten up mode, or maybe the programming's off. Maybe you're doing too much, too fast, too soon, too much volume that you're not able to recover from, or the RPE is consistently 9 or above. So those are where you need to make the changes in order to permanently reduce this perceived tightness, instead of getting caught in this foam roller trap of foam roller, PVC pipe, rumble roller. Before you know it, you're warming up for an hour, and that's no good. So that's what I like to call the foam roller trap. If you liked what you watched, consider subscribing to us on YouTube. Check us out on Instagram at Barbell Rehab. Thanks, guys.